Audi SQ7 Spied. Audi readies a most sportier version of the new Q7. Although the long-serving, first-generation Audi Q7 never offered a high-performance variant to do battle with the BMW M or Mercedes-Benz AMG Utes, the new Q7 will show no such restraint. Audi will take the formula successfully applied to the Q5, with the SQ5, and adapt it to the Q7, creating the SQ7, the ultimate version of its three-row SUV. Much as we often deride their inherent silliness, high-performance SUVs are a growing category. See for example the new Range Rover Sport SVR, the mini high-zoot versions of the Porsche Cayenne, not to mention fresh iterations of the BMW X5M and X6M, and their Mercedes-AMG doppelgangers, the GLE63 and GLE63S Coupe. There are also high-performance SUVs in the works from Bentley, Bentley, Maserati, Levant, and, probably, Lamborghini, Urus. Fueling this growth is the fact that these machines are both highly visible and highly profitable. Given all that, an Audi offering was inevitable. The second-generation Q7 is the first model to be built using the new iteration of the VW Group's MLB modular longitudinal architecture, which will also underpin the next VW Touareg Porsche Cayenne. The SQ7 naturally uses this platform as well, and, should it prove true, its claimed weight savings of some 700 pounds compared to its predecessor is particularly good news for a high-performance model like the SQ7. Audi has yet to detail the powertrain of this up-level offering, but rumors swirl that VW Group and Audi R&D chief Ulrich Hackenberg has copped to a uniquely boosted mega diesel for the SQ7. A V8 TDI bolstered by an electric supercharger, estimated to make 450 horsepower and 600 pounds-to-foot of torque. The electric supercharger in combination with turbocharging creates quicker throttle response. The tech was previewed by the RS5 TDI concept. The downside is that it requires a separate, 48-volt power supply, adding cost and complexity. Potentially, Audi also could offer a version of its gasoline-powered 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 as seen in the RS7, where it's good for 560 ponies. Either would provide a significant performance boost over the standard Q7's top engine, a 333-horsepower 3.0-liter supercharged V6. The regular Q7 is just now out in Europe. It is due here later this year as a 2000.